Welcome back to Buy Now, Sell Now, and you are catching us live from SBI Live Studios. And viewers, let's get started with all your stock-related queries. Yes, of course, as we are in the thick of the earnings, we have to take so many management interactions. But now is the time wherein our experts will address all your stock-related queries. So start writing to us with respect to your stock queries. You can write to us on the WhatsApp number that will be flashing on the top of your screen throughout the show. But before we start taking your queries, let me welcome to our very special guest. Rajesh Agarwal is joining us on the fundamental side, and to guide you on the technical front, Kunal Bothra is here with us live in the studios. A very good morning, gentlemen, and let's get started with the first query that I have. And this one is coming in on Ola Electric. And Rajesh, I'm coming to you for this one, wherein Manoj from Mumbai has bought Ola Electric at a price of 56 rupees. He's holding 200 shares of this particular counter. While of late there has been some hopes of a revival, but with the earnings seems like it's all fading away. Rajesh, what will be your advice?
See, you said it right, sir. First of all, good morning, everybody. You said it right. The earnings were pretty bad, and not only this quarter. It has been bad from last so many quarters. The numbers have not been improving. There have been quality concern, management concern, a whole lot of things. They came out with there was a news that they are moving into EV battery space and something of that sort, but that also didn't materialize. Now they're coming out with fundraising and all. So all in all, nothing seems to be working in favor of the company. So it's better to try to exit on any upsides.
Rajesh on Ola Electric, but then Kunal, let's take Bhartwaj's question from Coimbatore, and he's asking, is Eternal a good buy at the current market price given it's a new age app business? If not, suggest any other app-based stock to hold for 3 to 5 years.
Good morning. So I think, yeah, Eternal is a good buy at current levels. The stock has retraced almost 18% to 20%. 360 was the high for the stock in the recent past, and now it's come back close to 300 levels. So it's a good retracement for Eternal. But I would suggest keep some powder dry in case if there's another level of correction where the stock comes closer to 285 or thereabouts, then you can look to add or accumulate further. But yeah, I think looking at the longer term charts, the way the stock has behaved in the last 8 to 10 months, I believe that it's a good territory where you can look to start buying Eternal from a longer term perspective. You can start at current levels, as I said, and closer to 285 is where you can look to buy the additional tranche.
All right, that's the take coming in on Eternal. But Rajesh, the next query is coming in from Krish, and this query is specifically for you, coming in on JK Cements, where he has bought 29 shares, but buy price is 6,723 rupees. He wants to have a long-term outlook on this one, probably for the next 3 years. What will be your advice, Rajesh?
See, we are very bullish on the entire cement pack as such. If you look at the infrastructure growth, the real estate growth going on in the country, cement is going to do well. The numbers were little subdued in the recent past for the almost everybody because of the monsoon season, but going forward, things are going to look better. And as far as GK Cement is concerned, it's one of the biggest player in white cement, and that's one of the premium products. They're doing very well. The numbers have been good. So at these levels, if by any chance it corrects to around 5,000 odd rupees, that would be a great level to add more. But somebody holding for 3 years, for a period of 3 years, one can continue to hold.
All right, so that's a take coming in for JK Cement. But then we have a live viewer online, Mr. Ram from Andhra Pradesh. Morning, Ram. How are you doing today?
Yeah, fine. Thanks for asking me. How are you?
Doing good. Thank you so much. You want to ask your question?
Yeah.
Sure. Go ahead.
So I have Chambal Fertilizers, 68 shares on average price of 616 rupees.
Okay.
Almost 25% loss. So can I average or can I exit? Actually, I have taken for this stock from long term only.
Chambal Fertilizer. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You want to hold on for how many years more?
Maybe 2 to 3 years.
2 to 3 years. You don't have any other holding as far as AMC holdings are concerned?
AMC?
Yeah, HDFC AMC and Nippon India?
Yeah.
You have those?
That stocks also.
Sure. And those also you want to hold on for how many years? 2 to 3 years?
Yeah, 2 to 3 years.
All right. So it's a long-term horizon, but let's get a take. Kunal, I'll come to you. So first, let's talk about HDFC AMC and Nippon India. 660 is bought and 4050 HDFC AMC again for 2 to 3 years, including Chambal Fertilizer.
See, long-term wise, they are attractive, where you can continue to hold on to both of these names, HDFC AMC as well as Nippon India. Consistent performers. We expect that these stocks, they tend to move in tandem with the market performance and the market mood. And whenever the markets have done reasonably well, or at least the sentiment has started to look a lot more positive, we've seen the AMC stocks performing very well for themselves. So I think in that context, I would suggest a hold on HDFC AMC as well as Nippon India. For Chambal Fertilizers, now since you've purchased at higher levels, the stock is down around 20-25% from your purchase price. I actually believe that at current levels of 400 thereabout, Chambal Fertilizers is entering into the oversold territories on the weekly, monthly charts. So this could mean that potentially next month onwards, you might see the stock trying to form a bottom for itself and then trying to get back into recovery mode. So I would sense that maybe at 5% to 7% lower levels from the current price is where you can look to accumulate further for Chambal Fertilizers. So you can, that will help you drop down your average price quite substantially. And whenever the stock comes back into a recovery phase, I would believe that there is a very strong probability that it may come back towards at least 550 to 600 levels potentially over the next 18 months.
All right, so that's the take coming in on both of these counters. We hope that this helped resolve your query. But with this, Rajesh and Kunal would like to thank you for taking the time out and helping our viewers resolve their stock-related queries. This was all the time we had for the queries section. But interesting news flow with respect to the mutual fund data. The AMP has released its numbers, but we'll discuss all of that just after this quick break.